Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I'm a little bit late today. Like I think I'm 10 minutes late, I guess. I was doing one or two, but regardless, we're here. Good morning, everybody. We go again today. Good morning, everybody. Obina, my man, I especially greet you. You're active as usual. I've had a long, you know, I overslept. I was sleeping too much. I overslept. I was enjoying my sleep. You guys should not be angry with me. The sleep was too sweet. This week again, we must make that Doris, if at all. Eyes on Bitcoin already. Eyes on gold. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my family. The devil is a liar. So, good morning, everybody. Good morning, family. Let's quickly share. the link to our friends and family. Let's share the live. Let's share the live to our friends and family and who we think would love to be here with us before we proceed. Let's share the live to them. Let's share the link to our friends and family and to those who would like to be here with us. Please. So let's happy new month to you all. Happy new month to you all. So I want you all, if you're live with me, I want you all to let's wish ourselves happy new month before we proceed. I can see Hopina, I wish you happy new month. I can see um Udoju, Ud- Udochukwu, happy new month. Oh yeah, happy new month to you too. Dauda, happy month to you too. Mr. Inyola, Mr. Inyola, happy new month to you all too. So as we're starting the new month, you understand, we are happy. Grace, happy new month. You all are welcome to this live section. It's been a wonderful and long, you know, wonderful and sweet month. Tracy, happy new month. Happy new month, Tracy. You're welcome. Happy new month, Tracy. You're welcome. May the peace of the Lord be with you all. You all are welcome. You can see how the market turned out to be. Adelfe, Ade Ife. Okay, we can see Mr. Inola too. Ade Ife, happy new month. Mr. Inola, happy new month. Oh, I've been here to grant you access to my Zoom master. We'll do just that after this live. So relax. We are all good to go. We are up and grateful. So relax your mind. I'll grant. So if you're here, it's been a long February. So this March, we are making money. This March, a lot of Western people here. See Aniola, Adefe, and the rest. Aniola and Adefe and the rest. Don't worry, I'll grant you access. Mhm. So let's. So how in general? How was your how was your February like? In January, sorry, in February, how was your trading in February? How was your trading like this February? How was your trading so far like this February? How was your trading like? Were you profitable in the month of February? Were you profitable in the month of February? Or you're not profitable? So how was your trading like so far in February? I want to know. How was your trading like in February so far? I want to know how your trading was like in the month of February. I want to know how your trading was like in the month of February so far. Wow, W's in the chat. So how was your trading like in the month of February? See good. Uh-huh. W's. Gold is Salo. So how was your trading like was it very were you constantly profitable or not? Let's know how your trading was like. Tell me in the month of February, how was your trading like? Tell me, let's know. How was your trading like in this month of February? How was your trading? So I can know how to relate with you. How was your trading like in the month of February? And tell me, somebody said February did not favor me, sir. Don't worry, February did not favor you, March will favor you. Don't be shy. And tell me some of the mistakes you made in the month of February. Let's talk about it. So that you don't make that mistake again in this March. Because this March, we are marching forward in profit. This March, we are marching forward in profit. So tell me, how was your trading like in the month of February? Tell me the mistakes you make and the things you feel like you will correct. So at the beginning of new month, we have to come in afresh. So we need to check, we need to check on our, you know, on our mistakes. So we will not repeat them again. Are we there? We need to check our mistakes so we won't repeat them again. So tell me, how was your trading like in February? What are the mistakes you think you make? And tell me what you will do differently in the comment section. Because many people can learn from mistakes. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to have losses. What's not okay is not learning from them. That is what is not okay. So what is not okay is not learning from them. Someone said also, February did not favor me. I want to join your community. Don't worry, I'm here to make things right. You know, hopefully, hopefully joining my community, like you said, will change your trading game entirely. But if I did not favor you, tell me what you did. Someone says in January, since January, I subscribed, but I just funded my first account this morning. I hope I have a good testimony. Definitely, if you are watching me live every day like this, time to time, learning from me, watching my discipline, following me, and dropping your bad habits, you have a good testimony this month. I can assure you. You have a very good testimony this month. This I assure you. You have a very good testimony this month. This I assure you. As for me, I had a very profitable February. In the forex pairs I took, you all saw it. I had 100% win this month with just 5 trades. On the crypto pairs, it's about 15. I had 14 wins and one losses. A very good and profitable month for me. So what he said, Ade said she made money with the Zoomaster AI indicator and lost some for not waiting for entry. Waiting is also a strategy, but people don't even know. Waiting for your entry is also a strategy. But people, so that I think waiting is one of the biggest problems uh, of of what do you call it? So if you waiting is also one of the biggest problems of so many traders. They don't know how to wait. Okay, they don't know when to wait. You understand for that entry to play out. So someone said fear of entering is my problem. That's why I joined a committee. Don't worry, I will build that your confidence back. But you have to be disciplined and follow me. Don't it's not like you'll be saying, oh, fear is my problem, you not do the right thing. You will have to now drop those bad habits, those gambling habits, those Ponzi scheme habits, those those emotional trades you're taking, you drop it first before you can now make progress. So someone said I'll be joining your committee soon, but I'd like to know how this thing has come and what PS content. Okay, that's fine. Just keep on following us. You understand exactly how this works. So you all are welcome to today's wonderful section. So GPPSD. No, I will analyze one or two. I will analyze one or two pairs today. I'll start from Bitcoin and go to some forex pairs. You understand? But first of all, I teach before analyzing. I teach before what analyzing. I repeat, I teach because not just you see. I don't want to spoil you. You understand? I need to teach you something. I need to give you value before I now analyze one or two coins. You understand? But first, today I've seen your issues. I've seen people saying that they were afraid of taking trades, they lack confidence, they don't know how to wait. You understand? So I've seen all that. And that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's okay to make mistakes, but don't dwell on it. It's okay to make mistakes, but don't dwell on it. It's okay to make mistakes, but don't dwell on it. It's okay to make mistakes, but don't dwell on it. It's okay to make mistakes, but don't dwell on those mistakes. So quickly, the first before I proceed to today, I want to teach you the correct way to do the top-down analysis. I want to teach you the correct way to do the top-down analysis. But before I proceed, I would like to look into let's look at what first of all let's go to the crypto market. Before I proceed on today's class, let's look at what the crypto market is saying. I want to analyze Bitcoin using my Zomaster EH indicator. And I'll show you exactly how I will do this successfully. I want to analyze Bitcoin, I repeat, on the crypto market first. I show both the crypto market and the forex market. But I want to analyze Bitcoin in the crypto market and tell you exactly what to expect in the crypto market. So this is what I, I'm expecting in the crypto market soonest. So I'll share my screen now. So I'll share my screen. Yes, Obina, you got it right. There's high chances of seeing BTC at 63K. So let me explain what's going on here. So let me go to Bitcoin. So on the daily time frame currently on Bitcoin, you can see that it's clear enough that Bitcoin is bearish. You can see it's clear enough that Bitcoin is bearish. In fact, lately you can see that Bitcoin has been ranging just up, down, up, down. There's still an indecision in the market between the buyers and the sellers. You can see Bitcoin is bearish. But you can notice that this zone here on daily time frame is where Bitcoin is holding currently. You understand? So the market is currently bearish. So it's okay for you to look for a short in the market when you have a bearish market. So I go to the 4 hour time frame. As you can see clearly, Zomaster has clearly showed us what has been going on in the market on the 4 hour time frame. You can see that also the 4 hour time frame is also bearish. But if I want to follow, if I want to follow what has been going on in the market, you can see clearly that this is the zone. If I was going to short, I would have short from around 68K, but it's too late. Do you understand? Except the market retraces back, then I'll look for 68K, 69K to have a short on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin already has 5K heading towards a support. So this is what I'm expecting from Bitcoin already, just like Zomaster has shown us. I want to see Bitcoin at 64K, 64K, 64 to 50 around here, just like it has done. I want to see it go back here. Now you see why I like using the higher time frame sometimes. I like using the higher time frame because I like creating market. It is no magic. You see Zomaster AH indicator giving us our entry here, take profit and stop loss. That's because so far so good. Last time we made, if you have been following me last week, Thursday, Friday, you saw the massive profit I made from trading Bitcoin from this zone that Zomaster gave it to me to. So from here, from this zone, it dumped almost. Yes, this was the first profit I made. Zomaster gave. I posted it in the group. This was it on the 4 hour time frame. I got the entry on the 4 hour time frame, and from this zone, this was the initial entry Zomaster gave, and it pumped massively to 69, almost to 70K thereabout. Then dumped back down again to 63. From 63, that was as of yesterday, it pumped straight to 68 and it's dumping back. So I'm expecting the same repetition. You can see based on previous results, you can see that this is the zone clearly shown by Zomaster AH indicator. It gave us this zone initially. So if you traded Bitcoin just 2, 3 times, just from this zone to this zone, from this zone, you can see, and you can see take profit here. 2 times it hit take profit, then dump, hit take profit, then dump, goes close to take profit again, then dump. So this is what they call a structure and clarity while trading. Now, like I said, from the daily time frame, Bitcoin is bearish. On the 4 hour, it's still also bearish. So we should look for a short. But I think we're already late for the short. You understand? So if I want to take this trade, I will do the waiting game. I'm going to see Bitcoin around 64, 63. But my bet is on 64. Then you hold. And let's see 60, 65, 66 again. Same script. So this is structure and clarity I tell you all about that uh, Zomaster shows. You understand the structure and clarity I tell you all about that Zomaster shows. So I don't even need to do so many thinking. Looking at it from only the 4 hour time frame has given me the clarity I want. If I was going to short, I would have done the short from here or from here. But you can see we are kind of late to the short, so we wait for a long, and we should wait properly to this zone. I can see Zomaster has done the hard work by showing us where to enter from, which is here, which is the entry, where to take profit from, and where to put stop loss. As easy as that. All you need to do is just take this 64K zone, put it in 24 or 25 as an entry, your buy limit order, then put your stop loss there and put your take profit. Most times you don't really have to wait for take profit. From 60, 64, 66K is a very good, huge and massive profit. You can just go with that. It's okay. Don't be greedy. The market is not our dad or parents that owns the market. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So if we are good to go, I want you to type good to go in the comment section. I want you to type good to go in the comment section. So if you are good to go, I want you to type good to go in the comment section. So if we are good to go, I want you to type good to go in the comment section. So we can proceed to what I have to teach you guys today. I want you to type good to go in the comment section. So let's proceed. So today I want to show you the correct way to do top-down analysis. So I want to show you the correct way to do top-down analysis. So these are so top-down analysis is the foundational, slow, and structured. This is foundational. It's slow. I don't know if you guys have heard about top-down analysis. Top-down analysis means where you start trading from. Top-down analysis means where you start trading from. Like if you open your trade, you understand. If you open your trade, where do you start trading from? You understand? Where do you start trading from? So most of you, when you wake up in the morning, I don't know what's wrong with you guys, but what you do is you just wake up, go straight to the 5 minutes chart, and you want to look for what to trade on the 5 minutes chart. That's wrong. When you wake up in the morning, what you should do is to look for, you start your analysis from the top. The top means from the daily to the 4 hour and to the lower high time frame. That we call top down analysis. Top down analysis means starting your analysis from the daily to the 4 hour straight. Okay, I just saw something. Sorry, I want to share something with you. God has left us. On Friday, showed you all where I was expecting gold to come through for me to take a long. I told you all that gold was bullish, crazily bullish. So I told you all where I was expecting gold to go to. Let me share my screen. I told you all where I was expecting gold to go to before the pump. Let me share my screen. You see, I was never wrong. Zone Master AI Educator was never wrong. So you see this line. Remember, I drew this line. This I just saw it just now when I was looking at gold. I remember I told you that if you look in our last class, I told you that there was a resistance that gold was holding here. The last week, gold broke out of this resistance, yeah, and retested it and started consolidating over the weekend. Then this morning, gold pumped massively. Now, if you look at this place, I drew a line because Zomasa gave us our entry at 5105. Gold got to, you can see. So when it retested this place, it went back up a little bit. So I was waiting for it to still touch this zone. This was the line I drew last week. You can see that everything is still there. I was waiting for gold to still touch this zone. Then when you tap this zone, you should continue the movement. Only for me to wake up this morning and I set my buying limit order around there on gold. I told you guys you can set your limit order around there. You can go and watch the last class on Friday. But you can see that gold did not get it. We missed the entry. It got to 5132. It didn't go to 5105 and start pumping. I wish only this move from 5132 to almost 54 is a lot of profit, but it's a mixed entry. and that's fine. It's okay to miss entry. What you should not do is panic. Some of you see gold pumping like this and you want to panic. You want to go and look for long around this place or buy. You are in trouble. You are in trouble because you want to trade gold by force. You have to wait for gold to retrace. Then you can go in. You understand? So that's how to trade. Don't trade with emotions. Don't trade with emotions. Don't trade with emotions. Never trade with emotions. Never do that. If you do that, you're on your own. So let's go back to the top-down analysis framework. Now, step one, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you should do as a trader is to check the daily time frame. And family, in the comment section, what is the importance of the daily time frame? What does what I there's a name I also that there's a name I call daily time frame. What's the importance of the daily time frame? What does daily time frame give? What does daily time frame give? What does daily time frame give you? Someone have answered the question. It gives direction. Just like everybody, anybody don't know, anybody that don't know this is in trouble. So you ask, just like when I went to the good, just like when I went to Bitcoin this morning to check what's going on in the crypto market first, I seeked for direction, and the direction was showing me that the market is bearish. But I've missed the short already. So what I can do is to wait for a long. So currently now I'm waiting for Bitcoin to go to 64, 63K zone. But probably I'm going to probably sit at 64K zone at first. So you see that I didn't just jump in the market because I feel like jumping the market. I went into the market because I know what I am doing, I know what I'm expecting. So you all are correct. That means you guys have been following me now. Go day. My teaching is not wasting. It gives direction in the market. That was called top-down analysis. So when all these people are using this, you don't let all these yeah, correct, great, overall. So let all these mentors confuse you. All these people that just know that the overall direction of the market is gotten from the daily time frame. So step two, you go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour shows you structure and zone. Let me practically show you this self on the trading view. Let me just use Bitcoin as example now. Now you can see that the first thing I went while trading, I went to daily time frame first, and I saw that the daily time frame. Let me clear this stuff so you can see clearly. In fact, on the daily time frame, you can see bearish movement is bearish, and let me also say I can even call this move indecisive because you can see a rejection candle, a green bullish candle forming already. You get, so it's actually very bearish and also indecisive. So I already know that okay, the market is bearish and indecisive. But now I had to now go to the 4 hour to look at the structure. Okay, what structure is it forming briefly? What structure has been going on in the market? And you can see now that I can clearly see, knowing that the market is bearish, I can clearly see the structure going on. So 4 hour is for structure and zone. Daily is for direction. 4 hour is for structure and zone. What is the structure? Are we in an uptrend? Is it ranging? What zone are we in? Is that 4 hour that shows the real zone? What zone are we in and what zone are we expecting and what zone is price likely to go to? And in real time you can see zone master ARH indicator showing us the zones. This is zones, zone one, zone two, zone. Inside there are the zones. This is what this in the daily time frame that is bearish. So in the daily time frame that is bearish, you understand, This is what is now going in. So now, daily time frame is the boss. So in the daily time frame that is bearish, this is what is now going on. You can now use this to make your decision. I know one thing with me, once I can get an entry in the 4 hour time frame, chicken now, I rarely go to my 1 hour or 45 minutes. Once I can see my entry in the 4 hour time frame, I rarely go to the 1 hour or 45 minutes. You understand? So this clarity is what Zomaster has shown us to here. See the structure going on. So I would like to even go with the structure than just disturb my brain. And this is the structure, like I said. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go below 63K, 64K, and continue the movement upwards, just like it has done. It's a script. Type script in the comment section. Type script in the comment section. Type script. This is a script. This is a script, a pure script. This is a script. This is a pure script. Type script in the comment section. Type script in the comment section. Type script in the comment section. This is a pure script. Look at it now. From here, each time it gets to this structural zone on the 4 hour, it pumps. Zone pumps, dumps. Zone pumps, dumps. Zone pumps. Zone to zone. Type zone to zone. This is what 4 hours usually show more. Zone to zone. Zone to zone. Zone to zone. That is a work of, it's 4 hours that has the structure and zone. Understand? So like I said, beginner sef, you guys need to know how to learn how to stick to the 4 hour. So if I can just get an entry on the 4 hour, I'm good to go. But if I don't think, and I have made my decision to be bearish on the market, I cannot go to the 1 hour for 5 minutes to look for an entry. Me, I don't like noise. Oh, I don't like noise in the market at all. I like seeing everything clear. You understand? I like seeing everything clear, 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 clear. So 4 hour is what shows you where price is likely to react. Type zone to zone. I say zone to zone. I say zone to zone. Zone to zone. You must enter here though. Zone to zone. I say zone to zone. Forward zone to zone. Forward zone to, because that's reached to the extent I have to sing it to your head, so that, because some people will say, I'm using a strategy, I'm not profitable. You're not profitable because you don't listen. You know why I like Zone so much? It's clear. It's not those regular boats that don't even know if there's news in the market. You just, at least Zone has taught me many things. Before, like some years ago, I don't know how to read. Yes, I know the basics, yeah. But as a beginner, I think this will make you know how to read. People that have issues with technical analysis, this is where you'll be able to, it makes everything easy for you. You understand? Just, oh, this is this support that's been holding. Oh, this support, this liquidity grab here, liquidity. Oh, these are the, it just makes everything very easy. You understand? Do this, use this pattern 10 times. You win 7 times. Okay, you guys saw my result. My the forex pairs I took, the forex trade pairs I took. Let me even check to the group. So I had on forex using the Zone Master EH indicator. I'm reading it. I took 5 trades. I had 5 wins and 0 losses. 100% win rate in the whole of. So it's like, you can wait. Hey, God, you guys are not getting the point here. In 1 month in forex, I took 5 trades only. Hey, and you call it luck. In those 5 trades I took, I had 5 good wins and 0 losses, 100% win rate. So, but that was not the only trade I took for the month, too, but that's in the forex category. From CAD, CHF, Euros, USD, GPY, AUDUSD, NZD. Even this NZD, USD win, I just tag as once. I made profit from NSD, USD 5 times, I mean 4 times. You guys saw it. True or false in the comment section. I made profit from NSD, USD 4 times. You guys were here now. I'm not lying. I did everything clear. Yeah. I did everything clear. I did everything clear here. True or false? True or false? I will make you see the market like a baby and understand how the market works. Don't worry. All those unusual mistake. Trading is a business. It's not a side job. It's not a gamble. It's a business. Take it like one. Even with your small $10, $20, if you skip trading as a business, you will make money. I've grown $5 to $100. You can ask Obina, some of my students that are here, like my VIP students that are here. They know these things. It's not cho cho cho. I have workings. I show them evidence. Even this NZD USD, you all were here and we all and like people made money from it here live last week. Are we there? So let's stop playing. Now, the same February, this month that passed, in crypto, I also traded some cryptocurrency coins. I had a total of 10 trades. I already everything is here, evidence. You can go to my I have my VIP group. You can go and ask people, cross check. We had a total of 10 trades. I had 9 wins and one loss. That's 90% win rate. 90% win rate. In 10 trades for the month of February for crypto coins only, I had 9 wins and one loss. Now the difference between I don't know if you guys are seeing exactly how I'm able to like I'm tracking everything I'm doing to show you that this is not a mistake. This is coming from someone that knows what he's doing. If you're not intentional about how you trade, you're in trouble. You have to be intentional about how you trade so you can make some dollars. You'll make dollars this month. Type dollars. If you believe you make dollars this month, you will print dollars. You will print dollars. Type dollars in the comment section. If you know you print dollars this month, type dollars in the comment section. Type dollars, dollars, dollars. Type dollars in the comment section. If you believe you will print dollars this month, type dollars in the comment section. Dollars. There is dollars and there is dollars because we're going to make not just dollars, we're making dollars. So the continuous tense of dollars is dollars. Don't call dollars dollars. We're not going to stop it. We're not stopping at just the dollar. We're looking at, you know, so don't call dollar dollar. We're looking at dollars. You can see on my table, I have $100 plus in my trading table. Do you know why? I like remembering myself that I'm not going to be earning in naira. I'm going to be earning in dollars. I have dollars on my trading table. I always see dollars every day. You know, what you see is what you attract. What you think is what you attract. So if I can be seeing dollars every day, I want to attract dollars. If you're not dollars, you're not my friend. I have dollars with me. Dollars. So let's go back to what we are saying. You understand? So to cut the long story short, 4 hour 4 hour is where 4 hours shows you where price is likely to react. That's why I said I've missed the shot, but this is where it's clarity that price is likely to react around all this zone here because each time price gets here it reacts, it gets here it reacts, it gets here it reacts. This is where price wants to react. Give me that small. I don't even need, see, to be honest here, yes, I know I want price to, just like it has always done, I want price to come here just like Joe Master has shown us here, that each time price gets here react. That's why we kept on making money. First one, second one here, it's coming back there. I want price to just react here. Just give me from here to here. Now the difference between me, I don't need too much. Don't worry. I don't even want to reach take profit one. If you reach take profit now if you reach take profit one, now go day. But if you can give me from this 64k or 63k just to 66k, yeah, chicken now. I'm in massive profit. I will go peacefully. I'm not greedy. The remaining one, if he wants to play out, boom to 69. No problem. But just give me from here to here. React. That reaction, what I want to eat. That reaction, check is what I want to eat and go. 63 to 66, 64. It's okay. That's like almost to 70-80% profit. I'm good to go. Because many of you say, as a beginner, I think that's what you should be doing. You don't need to, you should learn how to compound profit. You know, even if sometimes, most times, no matter, right, take profit 1 year. I don't wait sometimes. Because I just see me in my mind, I've been a trader for so many years. So in my heart, in my head, I already know what is my profit target for a day. So let's assume I enter here as 64K and price gets to like 60K. I'm a massive profit, right? I can start to lock profit at 65K around here, lock small 40%. If the market feel like to react and go back down here like this, back to this position, chicken now, I'm out, but I'm out with profit. If you ask me tomorrow, Cobalt store, you enter at 64K, price is not reach 70K take over, but they go to, I think, he kick me out with profit too, big or small. If you like, laugh. If you like, don't laugh. At the end, profit na profit. Profit na what? Profit. Type in the comment section, profit na profit, big or small, compounding. So now let's assume as I take profit here at 66, maybe I know where to take profit one. You understand? I know, based on, I know myself, I know how to compound, and I believe in compounding profit. My small $1, my small $2, $10, $15, I compound it. If the market go back down here from here again, maybe you want to still gather small momentum and come back to enter again. Maybe the second time I enter this coin again, it goes back up to this position now. I first of all chop from here, you go down, I still chop to this place again. Who is the winner? Who laughs last? Me. Profit na profit. Are we there? If you are good to go, type good to go in the comment section. If you are good to go, type good to go in the comment section. Type good to go in the comment section. Type good to go. So this is how I analyze my trades in the morning, from daily to the 4 hour. 4 hour, like 4 hours already showed us where, you know, the coin is likely to react. Somebody asked me to check Solana. Let me see what's in Solana. But I'll still check on some forex pairs. I've already done this analysis on Solana. See Solana too. On the daily, Solana is actually bearish and ranging. Look at what Solana is doing on the time frame. Pyong, 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 pyong. Pyong, pyong, pyong. Let me just draw it. Pyong. This was Solana is doing on the time frame. It's ranging. Pyong. You can see that Solana in the daily time frame is ranging. And currently now, on the daily time frame, family. Let me catch up now. Yes, Solana is ranging on the daily time frame. But what is the direction of the market on Solana? What is the direction of the market on Solana? Answer my question in the comment section. What is the direction of the market on Solana? Give me an answer in the comment section. What is the direction of the market on Solana? Give me an answer in the comment section. What is the direction of the market on Solana? Let me know if you guys have been following. What is the direction of the market on Solana? You all are right. The direction of the market on Solana is actually bearish. Very bearish. I can see that this is what has been happening in Solana. So what next? We have to use the 4 hour to check the structure and where price is likely to react, right? So go to the 4 hour and check. Woo! It's all over. Hey, Chineke, me see structure. Try. See clear. Oh, W clarity in the comment section. W clarity in the comment section. This is clean. But I just hope some days I've seen clean structure like this and they still didn't respect these rules. Hopefully Iran and Trump will not go and do nonsense and make the market crash. But this is clean clarity. Look at now, look at, if you have been using Zoom if you have been using Zoom you have been longing from 79K, $79 straight to $90, $79, $90, $79, $90. We are waiting for it here again. This is so clean. Solana, so look at it now. Each time you get to 90, dumps, 90, dumps, 90. If you have been longing and shorting, long from here, short from 90, long from 79, short from 90, long from 79, short from 90, long from 79, short from 89, 90. And here we are again. So this is what we're expecting. So one thing with me is that in the crypto market, there's some peers that strongly follows Bitcoin movement, and Solana is a typical one at that. Solana typically follows Bitcoin movement. So if I'm trading Bitcoin, I don't trade Solana alongside because they have almost the same movement. You understand? Are you getting me? So you can see this is what okay, when I see something like this, what am I looking for in the lower time frame again? I don't know if you get my point. It's okay to go to lower time frame, 15 minutes. It's okay to go to 30 minutes. It's okay. You will still get entry. See 30 minutes here now. But I don't have strength for all these so many lines, drop and down. I like seeing the market more. See now, look at on the 30 minutes time, we reach a lower time frame. This is the more of like a scalp, 82.24. 82.84 is a scalp, but I don't like such. Give me 4 hour. Sweet. Show me what I want. This is what I want to see. Show me something like this in a broadsheet. Give me this thing. Even a 2-year-old will understand this kind of movement. And this is where the patience comes in. Take this kind of trade 2 times or 3 times in a week, you're good to go. 2 times, 3 times like this. Imagine last week. This was just last week. This was last week. He did this thing 2 times like this. Take this move 2 times, your portfolio will swell up. Your portfolio will swell up. Yes. So if it tends to touch 70, like Obina said, it tends to touch 78, 77. That's where liquidity is. This is where you now work on your stop loss. Can't see where the master put stop loss here. 79, 72. Give the market a chance to do the gra here. Tap all the 70 something here. Tap it, tap it. This is where the liquidity come and tap the 70. I give you time to reach 79. If you want to tap to 77, 70, tap it. Tap liquidity, react. You will tap and react. Go my way. As easy as that. Tap it. This is why 4 hour, like I said, is what shows structure and shows clarity and shows where price is likely to react. Why you cannot use the lower time frame for one or two things. Maybe you want to just quickly scalp, you want to scalp on base, you want to scalp or get some move based on your decision. And then you can use lower time frame like 1 hour or so. You understand? But it's like I said, if I can see an entry from the 4 hour, a clear one like this. That's why I say I don't trade so many trades. I don't have so many trades in a month. My trades are very specific. You get, so that's good to go. Then you can use, if you are a scalper, then you cannot use 15 minutes time like I showed you just now, 30 minutes to do your scalping and leave the market based on your direction you have seen from the daily time frame. That's what we now call top to down, top down analysis. So tomorrow if I come now, so what should give me a top down analysis on Bitcoin? I want you to tell me, okay, on Bitcoin, like tomorrow now, if I say, okay, quickly, family, someone should give me a top-down analysis on Bitcoin. You should understand, okay, I'm trying to say that analyze the market from the daily to the 4 hour to the 1 hour and tell me exactly what you see and tell me our final decision. That's what I want to hear from you. So many of you here wake up in the morning and just run straight to 5 minutes time frame setup. You get too excited and you will try to force your trade on the 5 minutes time frame just to justify it on the higher time frame. That's wrong. So if you start from 5 minutes time frame, you are actually searching for trades. But if you start from the daily time frame, you are filtering trades. The daily time frame will not like to take trades anyhow. 5 minutes just make you search for. If you use 5 minutes time frame, you will see setup everywhere. But daily time frame will not show you, not like to trade anyhow or show you so many setups. You understand? So you cannot start your analysis from the lower time frame. You have to start your analysis from the higher time frame. Are we there? Start your analysis from the higher time frame. It's very, very important. I just showed you what gold is doing. Gold is bullish. I literally don't have the entry I had on gold. I've set my buy limit order on gold at 5105, which you all saw just now. But it got to 5132 and pumped to 54. Massive missing of entry, and that's fine. Let gold continue going. Shikena. I have other pairs I can trade. I can trade crypto market. I can trade forex market as long as I have what is working for me. Good. Bamaganapa, continue, go. Whatever goes up must come down. We will meet again. See that goat? I must eat you. Promise. This one you skip my you miss my entry. Muje, continue. We'll go again. Let me look for other peers. Seems as if in the forex market only. Let me check my euro. So um so in the comment section, the forex trader, I want you to give me a first pair we should analyze just one. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. Someone said Euro card. So I more I like trading against the dollar, which is the USD. GPP USD, GPP USD, GPP USD. Mm. GP. Okay, let's look at GBP USD. I think that's what people are talking about. GBP USD. That's what people are talking about. So let's look at it quickly. Let me share my screen. GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD have for us today. Brr, very tired, but it's fine. So starting from the daily time frame, like I've taught you, let me expand it. So even look at the story. Even so much that even give us an entry in daily time frame. Look at the dump. Chakam, chakam, chakam. So what is our take on this pair? On this currency pair? Are we bullish or bearish? Answer the question yourself. Are we bullish or bearish? Are we bullish or bearish on the GPP USD? Are we bullish or bearish in the comment section, please? These are things you need to answer yourself. We are bearish, that's fine. So we're supposed to look for shorts in the market, right? But let's go to the 4 hour first and look for the structure. What structure is it giving us in the 4 hour? Let's go and look for it first. Otilo, this pair is gone. It has already like played out. You can see this was the entry Zomaster gave around the year 135128 for a short. See, it has already played out to take profit one, heading to take profit two. So we have to allow this pair to restructure, and then let's see what Zomaster has for us. Okay, let me go check the 1 hour. See, even 1 hour, the same thing. It has played out. Everything was has played out for a short. 1 hour played out for a short. 4 hour played out for a short. See, 4 hour played out for a short. Daily self, even the daily time frame, it was really bearish. The pair was really bearish, played out for a short. So nothing we can do here. It has played out. So we can come back later, being the beginning of the week, and let's see, what happens next from here, how the market reacts after this dump. Let's see what happens next. You can see everything has played out. So if you had Zone Master Yachi indicator, you would have taken your entry on short position since and made money from this. You understand? So that's that for GBP USD. So if you want to be trading with more clarity like this, just like I've done, you can see how comfortably I'm able to trade so many pairs, and both the crypto pairs and the forex pairs. You can see how I'm able to like navigate the market without stress. And if you want to do the same, you have to have access to the Zone Master Edge indicator. Because even if you're a pro trader or a good trader, you need something that is not emotional. Zone Master is not emotional like you. It's a non-emotional side of you that sees trade with more clarity and assist you in seeing trade with more clarity. Now, this is not just an ordinary indicator. This is a strategy. This is a trading rule, a trading strategy that you need to use over time to improve your consistency in trading. It stops you from having to guess. You can see everything we are seeing. You can see now. I see that, oh, everything has played out in GBP USD, just like Zomaster predicted already. So what am I looking for there? I am not trying to go to a 15 minutes time frame or 10 minutes time frame to force trades. Let the market, it has played out in very strong. Then let the market do his thing. Yes, probably if you say it's a support zone, let's see. I know very soon, like I said, what Zomaster does is that it gives you structures in real time. Very soon you can see Zomaster can restructure and give you a structure in real time for a long, maybe on that GBP. But for now, it is bearish. Let's see how the market reacts. It just played out this morning, I guess. So let's see how the market reacts from there. So this is the clarity that Zomaster AI trading indicator gives to you. It gives you more vision, more value, more structure to understand the market properly. You understand? To understand the market properly without having to guess or make those mistakes. So that's what I have for you for today. I'll be engaging you more in the group. If you have any question about getting the Zoma style AI indicator, you can always ask me. Thank you all for joining today's live section. Like today, I think we learned something. We learned the top-down analysis. So don't let all this English in forex or crypto confuse you. The top-down analysis, it just simply means analyzing the market from the daily time frame from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. That we call top to down analysis. You don't analyze the market from down to top. You analyze the market from top to down. So I'm not just teaching you how to use this indicator efficiently. I'm also showing you some mistakes you have made, some discipline you need to keep to be a successful trader. The fact I come here throughout last year to this year, come here steady. I have over 100 people watching me. Over 100 people watch me every day. It's not a mistake. It's that there is something they are seeing. It's something that it's a value they are seeing. So if you know you're getting value from my sections, I want to type value in the comment section. If you have any question on how to use the Zomaster Edge indicator, text me. If you want access to the Zomaster Edge indicator, you text me. Zomaster is here to build your trading consistency. So you all are welcome once again. See you all same time in our next live section. Until then, I'm going ahead to do what I have to do. My setups are there. I'm going to make profits from my setup. Like I told you in the group, I said weekends weekends are for getting your setups and observing the market and let it execute during the week. So someone said, how do I get to the crypto group? Chat me on WhatsApp and I'll explain to you how you can do this. God bless you all. See you all same time in our next live class. God bless you for staying to the end. Chat me. Everybody have my WhatsApp line already. Everybody join this section on my WhatsApp line. If you want Zomaster, you want access to Zomaster, chat me up. Any other questions, chat me up. My DM is open. I will always respond to your message personally. Thank you and God bless you.